GitHub Actions can write to your repository if you give them permission to write. There are 3 ways that I can think of to allow GitHub Actions to write. First, what I'll show is the method that I use, and there are other 2 ways that I can think of. This is a simple workflow that creates a new output file, writes something to it, and it will fail because of insufficient permissions. I haven't given the permission to GitHub to write, so it will fail. And it fails with the message, write access to repository not granted. And you give the permissions to the workflow file by just stating that you would like this section runner to write to contents of the repository. And now this workflow should succeed and I should get this simple file written to my repository. And it is written. Other method is similar to the first one. We are still using the default GitHub token, but we allow now the GitHub token. If you go to settings section general and scroll down to workflow permissions and then assign read and write permissions, and now it applies to all of the workflows in that repository. And now I'll edit the workflow, remove the permissions. And the workflow should be able to write to the repository regardless. And it's written to the repository because I enabled it in the repository settings. The last option is my least favorite one, and it is with personal access token. Go to settings, developer settings, create a new fine-grained access token. I'll name it test, it doesn't matter what is named, and assign the select repository to which it applies to. In the repository permissions, search for contents and assign read and write, generate a token, and now I can use it in my repository, but I want to assign the new repository secret. And it is called path token, and I can use it by going to, instead of GitHub token, I will use path token. And if I check the actions again, the action was successful. This is my least favorite action because there's too much work, but those are the 3 methods that I can think of, and use what you like. Thanks for watching.